Hello guys, it's Mod Monday. What are we gonna do? Today for the G80 M3, we're gonna change the clutch. People say, huh? Why change clutch? Okay, let me just share with you one thing. For the G series, the G80 or the G82 manuals, the torque figures is not 650 Nm, you know, it's only 550 Nm. Not because BMW want to short change you, not because you pay lesser money, it's because the clutch cannot take it. So after a bit of power upgrades, I got more than 550 torque, so it's starting to slip already at some gears. So we need a good set of clutch that doesn't give me the kind of, you know, twin park kind of feel that's gonna make my left leg sore. So I opted for the PTB Clutch. Okay, not what Clutch Master. Because Clutch Master to me last time was a little bit not nice experience. It's a little bit hard. A little bit hard to get the biting point. PTB, I've done my research online. It's the best in terms of feel, like 20% harder than stock, and of course it holds up to 1,100 Newton meters of torque. So let's see how it goes. So today, let's do it. First impressions about driving this clutch, it's manageable, probably like 20-25% more clutch feel. I need to press a bit more, but I can feel that the clutch is really tight, you know, and it, you know, grabs the thing well, you know what I mean. So I'm sure it wouldn't have slipped, and I've read a lot of reviews online. This should be the best, but this has a little bit more noise than stock. Stock is noise free, but maybe I'm running in, who knows. So, well, in time to come we'll know. I wanted to say all manual owners should change this, but there are only two. One G82, one G80. So, I also don't know, encourage who. But it is indeed a quality mod, you know, especially for today's high-powered engines. The S58 easily 680 horsepower, 880 Newton meters of torque via, you know, the BM3 or MHD. So we really need something quality like that. Too bad the factory doesn't provide you this but yeah, PTB, I think after so many years, they're quite good. Alright, so we'll enjoy it. Maybe in a few days time in Sepang, I get to test this thing more alongside with all the things I've done to the car. Peace.